Turning now to your Pinpoint forecast. Let's give you a live look here over the water in New Bedford. As you can see, plenty of sunshine today, but rain clouds will be moving in overnight. Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca joins us. I threw a jacket in the car the other day, Tony. I've not used it yet. So nice.
Yeah, you're right, Mike. I mean, the summer-like weather continues. You'll need jackets and sweatshirts, though, by Thursday and Friday. You get some pretty cool air on the way. In the meantime, temps that are still well into the 70s, and at one point, 78, 79 degrees. Not quite 80 like yesterday, but still warm for this time of year. We got lower 70s along the South Shore, and big changes ahead courtesy of a strong cold front, which will bring a widespread rain for tomorrow, beginning very early in the morning. And it will be heavy at times, some thunderstorms for the morning commute. But by this time tomorrow, 4 or 5 o'clock, it's gone. In fact, I expect the sun out by very late tomorrow afternoon, probably around this time. But before that happens, quite a bit of rain. Now, behind that cold front, there'll be some much cooler air, especially come Thursday and Friday, but potential is there, especially for tomorrow morning, 1 to 2 inches of rain. It's really going to slow down the morning commute, and then much cooler both Thursday and Friday. In fact, the sunrise temperature on Friday morning maybe as low as 35 degrees. Looking at dry skies for outdoor activities on your Saturday to start the holiday weekend. We'll see that 7-day forecast in just a second. Thicker clouds off to our west. And you see the rain associated with a strong cold front, this blue line right in here. It's the leading edge of much cooler air. And out ahead of it, quite a bit of moisture, including some thunderstorms. The front coming through tomorrow morning and into the afternoon hours, and out ahead of it, that soaking rain. So we'll get in real close and see how this all plays out next couple of days. Watch the time bar. Better part of the night is dry. If we catch any precipitation, it's like way after midnight and towards daybreak tomorrow. But look at the front right on top of us, right at the height of the morning commute tomorrow at 8, 9 a.m. You see these strips of red right in here? Those are downpours and some thunderstorms. This is really going to slow down the morning commute, allow for some extra travel time. Could even be some localized minor street flooding during the morning. Rain up until about 12 noon. Notice the back edge is starting to pass through. And then notice very late in the afternoon, not only does the rain move well offshore, but we'll start to see some partial sunshine developing. I would say certainly by around 4 or 5 o'clock in the late afternoon and early evening. Sets up for clear, much cooler weather tomorrow night. Now we get all day sunshine on Thursday, but boy, it is quite cool. It starts off in the 40s Thursday morning, and even with the sunshine all day, it struggles to get to 60 Thursday afternoon. And then there's Thursday night, late Thursday night, early Friday morning. Temps will drop down into the 30s, or the colder nights we've seen in a while. Plenty of sunshine for your Friday, but it will be very cool. New guidance coming in, still hinting at up to an inch or more of rain, potentially with this cold front coming through during the morning with some locally higher amounts and maybe some ponding of water on the roads, maybe some localized, minor street flooding, and also some embedded thunderstorms potentially during the morning as well. So certainly some high impact weather in terms of travel. But notice the improvement by mid to late tomorrow afternoon. We'll start to see some brightening and drier weather coming in, though it may take until later in the afternoon for that to happen. 7-day forecast, sunshine, but much cooler both Thursday and on into Friday. Saturday still looks good. Still a lot of uncertainty with an offshore storm system on Sunday. Still going with clouds and at least a chance for showers Sunday and Columbus Day Monday. Hopefully with new guidance that comes in, we still have a ways to go here, that system will push further to the south and we just end up kind of breezy and dry for Columbus Day Monday. So check back with us.
So we're moving on to sweater weather.
We are.
All right. Thanks, Tony. Still ahead on 12 News at 5.